The silent killers. Assessing the risk of human extinction from unknown microbial diseases. Humanity has always existed in an intricate, often precarious balance with the microbial world. From the earliest civilizations to the modern era, infectious diseases have shaped our history, driven societal changes, and periodically threatened our very existence. While past plagues like the Black Death and the 1918 Spanish flu demonstrated the devastating power of known pathogens, the specter of an unknown disease emerging with extinction-level potential remains a profound, though often understated, threat. Complicating this challenge is a growing global trend of disbelief in scientific consensus, often fueled by political extremism and misinformation. This erosion of trust in scientific institutions and expert advice directly undermines our collective ability to understand, prepare for, and respond effectively to emerging microbial threats, leaving us more vulnerable than ever. This article delves into the diverse microbial landscape, analyzing the specific dangers posed by fungi, viruses, bacteria, and other microorganisms, and evaluating our preparedness against an unseen enemy that could push humanity to the brink. 1. Introduction to the risks of human extinction due to infectious diseases. The concept of human extinction often conjures images of asteroid impacts or nuclear holocausts. However, a more insidious and equally potent threat lurks in the microscopic world. Pathogens are constantly evolving, adapting, and jumping between hosts, making the emergence of a highly virulent, transmissible, and untreatable disease a persistent concern. The interconnectedness of our modern world through global travel, urbanization, and ecological encroachment amplifies the risk of rapid global spread, turning localized outbreaks into worldwide pandemics. The ultimate nightmare is a pathogen that combines high transmissibility with an unprecedented mortality rate, capable of overwhelming healthcare systems and collapsing societal structures, ultimately leading to demographic collapse. See 1. Comparative analysis of fungi, viruses, and bacteria as potential sources of extinction-level events. Fungi. The underestimated threat fungi are increasingly recognized as significant human pathogens, particularly concerning due to their shared biological machinery with humans, making drug development challenging. Their ability to adapt to diverse environments and persist for long periods makes them formidable adversaries. Infection and outbreaks. While many fungal infections are opportunistic, severe invasive fungal diseases are on the rise, especially in immunocompromised individuals. Fungi can cause widespread outbreaks, as evidenced by Candida auris, a multi-drug resistant yeast spreading globally in healthcare settings. Historical precedents. Though not human extinction events, fungal diseases have devastated other species. The chytrid fungus Batrachochytrium dendrobatidis has caused catastrophic declines in amphibian populations worldwide, and white nose syndrome Pseudogymnoascus destructans has decimated bat populations in North America. These ecological precedents highlight fungi's capacity for widespread devastation when conditions are right. Likelihood of unknown disease increasing. Climate change is driving fungal adaptation to higher temperatures. For millennia, the human body's core temperature has served as a natural firewall against most fungal pathogens, as few can survive and thrive at 37 degrees Celsius. However, a concerning what-if scenario arises with global warming. As ambient temperatures rise, fungi face increasing selective pressure to adapt to warmer conditions. This evolutionary push could inadvertently train fungi to overcome their worst nightmare: high temperatures. potentially enabling them to breach the human thermal barrier. Should a highly virulent fungal species evolve the capacity to persistently infect and proliferate at human body temperature, it could unleash an unprecedented wave of systemic infections, particularly given our limited antifungal arsenal. Growing immunocompromised populations also increase susceptibility, severity, and mortality. Invasive fungal infections can have mortality rates exceeding 50%. The lack of effective non-toxic antifungal drugs is a critical vulnerability. Preparedness, lagging. Diagnostics are often slow, and the antifungal pipeline is limited compared to antibiotics. There are currently no broad-spectrum antifungal vaccines. 1. Viruses, masters of mutation and zoonotic spillover. Viruses, with their rapid mutation rates and diverse transmission mechanisms, are perennial contenders for pandemic and extinction-level threats. Mutation rates, RNA viruses like influenza and coronaviruses, have high mutation rates, allowing them to evade host immunity and develop resistance to antivirals rapidly. This constant evolution makes vaccine development a continuous race. Transmission mechanisms. Viruses can spread through air, aerosols, direct contact vectors, mosquitoes, and contaminated food and water, enabling rapid and widespread dissemination. Zoonotic spillover, a major pathway for new human pathogens. Viruses like HIV, Ebola, SARS-CoV-1, MERS-CoV, and SARS-CoV-2 all originated in animal populations before jumping to humans, demonstrating the constant threat posed by human-animal interactions. Likelihood of unknown disease, very high. The vast viral reservoir in wildlife, coupled with deforestation, urbanization, and livestock farming, ensures continuous opportunities for novel viruses to emerge. Severity and mortality highly variable. While many cause mild disease, viruses like Ebola, up to 90% mortality in some outbreaks, and Nipah virus, 40 to 75% mortality, show their potential lethality. A novel virus combining the transmissibility of measles with the lethality of Ebola could be catastrophic. Preparedness, advanced for some viral families, e.g. influenza, coronaviruses, with rapid vaccine platforms and some antivirals. However, preparedness is specific to known threats. An entirely novel, highly virulent virus could still catch us off guard. Historical examples. The 1918 Spanish flu pandemic killed an estimated 50 to 100 million people, demonstrating the capacity of a highly transmissible virus to devastate populations globally before modern medicine. The recent COVID-19 pandemic underscored the global impact even a moderately lethal virus can have. 1. Bacteria. The rising tide of antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are responsible for countless human diseases, but the primary threat stems from their alarming capacity to develop antibiotic resistance, rendering once treatable infections deadly. Antibiotic resistance patterns, driven by overuse and misuse of antibiotics, bacteria are evolving resistance to multiple drugs, leading to superbugs that are increasingly difficult, if not impossible, to treat. Pan-drug resistance is a looming crisis. Virulence. Factors. Bacteria possess an arsenal of virulence factors, toxins, enzymes, capsules that allow them to cause disease, evade immune responses, and persist in the host. Capacity for rapid evolution. Bacteria can rapidly evolve, not only through mutation, but also through horizontal gene transfer, exchanging resistance and virulence genes between different species. This accelerates the emergence of new dangerous strains. Likelihood of unknown disease, high, particularly concerning the evolution of existing bacteria into untreatable superbugs. A highly virulent, pan-resistant bacterium could emerge. Severity and mortality can be extremely high if an infection becomes untreatable. Sepsis, often caused by bacterial infections, is a leading cause of death globally. Preparedness, the pipeline for new antibiotics is dwindling. Surveillance systems track resistance, and infection control measures are crucial, but a post-antibiotic era is a real possibility. Phage therapy offers a potential alternative but is not yet widely adopted. Historical examples: the bubonic plague, Yersinia pestis, caused the Black Death in the 14th century, wiping out an estimated 30–50% of Europe's population. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, remains a global killer, exacerbated by the rise of multi-drug resistant MDR-TB and extensively drug-resistant XDR-TB strains. 1. Examination of other potential microbial threats. Beyond the big three, other microorganisms pose distinct, though perhaps less immediate, extinction risks. Prions. These misfolded proteins are not living organisms, but cause universally fatal neurodegenerative diseases, e.g. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans, bovine spongiform encephalopathy in cattle. They are incredibly resistant to sterilization, and while widespread human-to-human transmission is rare, their 100% mortality rate and long incubation periods make any new emergence deeply concerning. The potential for zoonotic jump, as seen with BSE, or for wider environmental contamination from diseases like chronic wasting disease in deer, represents a slow-burning but potentially devastating threat. Parasites. While often causing chronic debilitating diseases rather than acute mass mortality, e.g. malaria, schistosomiasis, parasites can significantly weaken populations and contribute to vulnerability. Their life cycles are complex, often involving vectors, and climate change could expand their geographic ranges, bringing new threats to unprepared populations. Drug resistance is also a growing concern for anti-parasitic treatments. Emerging pathogens. This category encompasses the unknown unknowns, novel pathogens that have not yet been identified or characterized. They could be entirely new microbial forms or known microbes acquiring unprecedented virulence and transmissibility. Factors like ecosystem disruption, climate change, and increased human-animal contact continuously create opportunities for such pathogens to emerge, potentially with properties that defy current medical understanding and intervention. 1. Discussion of preparedness and mitigation. Strategies. Addressing the existential threat of microbial diseases requires a multifaceted, proactive global strategy. Enhanced global surveillance, robust systems for early detection, rapid identification, and real-time sharing of genetic and epidemiological data are crucial. This includes sentinel surveillance in wildlife, livestock, and humans. Accelerated research and development, continuous investment in basic science to understand microbial biology, and applied research for novel vaccines, broad-spectrum antivirals, antibiotics, and antifungals. Platforms for rapid vaccine development like mRNA technology are vital. Strengthen public health infrastructure, investing in robust healthcare systems, trained public health professionals, diagnostic capacity, contact tracing capabilities, and surge capacity for hospitals. One health approach, recognizing the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. Collaboration across these sectors is essential to predict, prevent, and respond to zoonotic spillover events. Climate change, mitigation. Addressing climate change is paramount, as ecological disruptions driven by rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and habitat loss are significant drivers of pathogen emergence and spread, including the selective pressures that could enable organisms like fungi to adapt to new hosts. Global equity and cooperation, ensuring equitable access to diagnostics, treatments, and vaccines, and fostering international collaboration are critical. No country is safe until all countries are safe. Public education and communication, combating misinformation and promoting public understanding of infectious disease risks and preventive measures, e.g., hygiene, vaccination. Crucially, strategies must also address the spread of anti-science sentiment and political polarization that hinder effective public health responses. 1. Conclusion. While the likelihood of any single microbial threat causing human extinction remains statistically low, the cumulative risk from the vast and ever-evolving microbial world is undeniable. Fungi, viruses, and bacteria, each with their unique modes of threat, from increasing drug resistance and zoonotic jumps to climate-driven adaptation, such as the potential for fungi to overcome the human thermal barrier, present formidable challenges. When combined with the unknown potential of prions, parasites, and yet to emerge pathogens, the landscape of microbial threats is complex and dynamic. Humanity's continued existence depends on a sustained commitment to scientific research, robust public health infrastructure, and proactive global cooperation. The COVID-19 pandemic served as a stark reminder of our vulnerabilities, demonstrating not only the power of pathogens, but also the debilitating impact of fragmented political responses and the erosion of trust in science. Learning from these experiences and implementing comprehensive preparedness strategies are not merely matters of public health policy. They are essential for safeguarding the future of our species. The silent, microscopic world will continue to evolve. Our challenge is to evolve our defenses faster,